Hi guys, welcome back to asedoskitchen. Today I'm showing you the steps of my version of popcorn chicken. Once I wash the chicken breasts, I pat them dry with paper towels. I dice them into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large bowl. Then I add salt, black pepper to taste, and my choice of spices. Feel free to adjust the spices to your liking, but for reference purposes, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, sweet paprika, coriander powder, cumin powder, and curry powder. All the measurements are as shown on screen and also listed in the description box below. I mix this well until the chicken is well coated. I also add a tablespoon of olive oil to help bind the spices to the chicken. Then I let this marinate in the fridge for 3 to 6 hours. At this point, I add a cup of plain flour into a large bowl and add the chicken. I coat the chicken in batches and shake off excess flour. I place it in a separate bowl ready to fry. Once the oil is heated, I carefully drop the coated chicken into the oil to fry. I check the oil with a single piece of chicken, but the oil is not hot enough, so I let this piece cook. I remove it and let the oil heat a little bit longer, then I add the chicken. If you're cooking a lot of chicken and the oil in the pan is not enough, feel free to cook it in batches. I am not cooking a lot, so I cooked this in a single batch. Judge carefully because if you overcrowd the pan, the oil will cool down and get absorbed into the chicken, leaving the popcorn chicken soggy. I stir occasionally until the chicken is evenly cooked. I remove the chicken when they start turning golden brown. Place these on a paper towel lined plate to absorb the excess oil. I allow them to cool slightly before serving. Our popcorn chicken is now ready to serve. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as we do. If you like this video and would love to follow such content, subscribe and turn the notifications on to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share it, and write a comment down below. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next one.